Well, tonight there's news about who can be an American citizen. The 14th Amendment details that, but the president wants changes. CBS's Willie James Inman is at the White House with more on what all of this means. Willie James.
Jerika, good evening to you. The president is turning to the Supreme Court yet again to weigh in on his executive authority, this time over who's granted citizenship in the United States. This weekend, reports, including from the Associated Press, say the Trump administration will ask the High Court to decide the constitutionality of the president's executive order on birthright citizenship. Trump's order sought to deny citizenship to children born to parents who are in the U.S. illegally.
Because hundreds of thousands of people are pouring into our country under birthright citizenship, and it wasn't meant for that reason.
The potential Supreme Court challenge comes as CBS News has learned FBI leaders fired more than a dozen agents who took a knee during a Black Lives Matter protest in 2020 in the wake of George Floyd's murder, including some of the agents seen here. One source telling CBS News the termination letter cited the agents' lack of judgment in their actions. On Capitol Hill, there are just 3 days of government funding remaining. This week, the White House warning government agencies to prepare for mass firings in addition to furloughs in the event of a funding lapse, which would be unprecedented. In previous shutdowns, workers have been furloughed and reinstated with back pay. Both sides are already casting blame.
Well, we're going to see, but the radical left Democrats want to shut it down. I mean, it's up to them.
We'll sit down with anyone, anytime, any place in order to try to find a bipartisan path forward to fund the government.
For now, the House is not in session next week, leaving it up to the Senate to find a solution. Jerika.
Willie James Inman at the White House. Thank you.